Welcome the chance to discover this beginner in his or her interests, work, enthusiasms, and dreams and see if this individual's worths match your own. 6. Be thoughtful about presenting a brand new partner to your kids. Just introduce your kids to someone you believe is major, and, even then, do it gradually. Friedenthal says, ask them if they have any concerns. Let them know ahead of time about an approaching conference, listen to their fears, then reassure them as required. When setting up an initial meeting, it can be useful to all participate in a short activity in a neutral setting, so the focus is on the activity, rather than pressure to learn more about your partner. Children may view you dating as a hazard to their time and relationship with you. Ask your kids about their sensations, genuinely listen to what they reveal verbally and non-verbally, and verify that it's okay to feel however they feel. That stated, their sensations do not need to dictate your love life. It may be valuable to take unique time with your kids without your partner, just as you may carve out time with your partner without your kids. 7. Keep the kids' feelings firstly. No matter what, it's going to be a big modification when the kids see their mom with somebody brand new. However, there are things you can do to reduce how disturbing that might be. Friedenthal states, and when communicating with the child, prevent things like using labels the kid doesn't like, teasing, or getting in the child's room without consent. 8. Work on constructing a relationship with the children prior to trying to step into any kind of parenting function, Morin says. Do not anticipate things to be perfect, like on the Brady Bunch. Getting used to brand new circumstances and new individuals can be a bit of a process. 9. Keep expectations in check. Life is complicated, life is untidy, and it isn't always going to go smoothly, which doesn't mean it's not going to work out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.